Hello and what the heck is up, my Atlanteans? So welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I am Atlantix and this is my Atlantis, and on this channel I like to play with dolls, talk about dolls, redress dolls sometimes, and I also really like scary things, if you couldn't tell. So if you're into any of that, please consider subscribing. Otherwise, just thank you so much for clicking onto this video. I'm gonna be doing a lot with my hands because guys, look. Oh my god, wait, no. Actually, I'm gonna have to zoom in. These are my mermaid nails. I was meaning to save this for like summer, but I mean, obviously we are not in the summertime, but I was not able to get these on. I had like so much happening during the summer, so this is where we're at right now, and I'm so excited about these. These were made by Rico Nails on Instagram. He is a Brazilian artist and his art is just so incredible, and I was able to get 4 different sets off of him, and each one I get so many compliments. Everyone loves them and they just make me feel so confident, so please also consider following him. This is not sponsored. I just love him so much and he's so sweet. And well, anyway, so my life is crazy hectic busy, so I'm just gonna be like filming videos whenever I can now at this point. But I will try to stay weekly. I want to be good. I want to be good at that. For today's video, you obviously clicked on this video either one, because you just love how I look, or because you are also a Trollz fan just like me. And obviously for today's video, we're going to be opening the Glitter&Glam collection Onyx. If you don't know, Trollz, with a Z, is the early 2000s iteration of Trollz by the DAM company, the DAM company, and you probably know them for like the ugly trolls. And in the early 2000s they just decided to make them cunty teenagers living their high school life. It's incredible and I highly recommend you watch the show. There's only 1 season before it unfortunately got cancelled, and after the Trollz with a Z, we got the new Trollz movies that I'm sure all of you know of by now. Anyway, so enough of the rambling. We're gonna be opening this up. Every time I search up a Trollz doll review, there's like 3 different videos to click on, and they're all by the same people. So I'm just trying to enlighten the YouTube community and the doll community on how amazing these Trollz dolls are. So obviously these came out in like the early 2000s. They were known for obviously being one Trollz fashion dolls, and also be amazing color schemes that they go with. Like, look at how delicious these colors are. And also the Trollz.com website, if you remember the Trollz.com website. I mean, I feel like I've talked about this in every single Trollz video I make, but you used to be able to like make your own troll and you can like play games with them, dress them up and everything. Ugh, it was just so incredible. I'm so sad that it's over now. But the dolls still exist, and thankfully some people are like still selling them all over the world. So there are ways to still get your hands on some Trollz merchandise and still live your Y2K dreams. So this, as I said, is the Glitter&Glam collection, which means this is one of the more like fancy collections for the Trollz. And this is Onyx. All of the characters are named after gemstones. This one is Onyx, and she is our goth girl. This is a complete new in box. I got this off of Facebook Marketplace for about $40, I think. Dude was really sweet, and I just can't believe I have like a full Onyx doll. I do have one other Onyx doll that I showed off in my other Trollz video, like my reminiscing about Trollz video. And she's like a pajama type of girl. I got her off of AliExpress. I don't really count her. So this is my first full Onyx doll, and I'm very excited about this. Like, growing up, I guess my favorite would be Sapphire was my favorite because she was blue. But I am, like, my birthday's in November, so I am a Topaz, which is another really cool thing about these Trollz dolls. But now that I'm growing up, I don't know, girl. Onyx, like our goth glam queen. And she has, like, the best episodes, because, like, some of these episodes will be based on, like, the characters' like personal stories, and I love her gemstone episode. Such a good one. Oh yeah! Okay, we'll get into it, but okay. let's just get into this video and we'll talk about it as we get into this video. We're unboxing her. Okay, so this is what Onyx looks like in the packaging. She's smack dab in the middle. You can see her gigantic, like, troll hair poofs. So cute. Glitter and, oh, yeah, Glitter and Glam collection. You can see all of her accessories that are here. I love that we have, like, all those accessories for a troll doll. Oh, just look at how pretty and Y2K-ish her face is. Just so cute. Okay, and then she has a second outfit, which is incredible. I love that the Trollz dolls came with like full outfits. And they're made of like different materials too. So it's really, the early 2000s were good for that. Hot new on the town fashions. Magical belly gem. On the bottom we have her name, Onyx von Trollenberg. Trollz, it's a hair thing. Then you have all the legal stuff in this back corner here. I love the shape of all these boxes would be in like a weird like hair shape, like so cute. Made by Hasbro. And then here we have a couple of things to talk about here. So we have the full artwork of Onyx. We got a little sticker here that says Trollz books are available wherever books are sold. Here it says it includes 2 glamorous party outfits and loads of style and jewelry and accessories. You can see all the characters in their second Glitter and Glam collection outfits. And then it says collect them all, which I am trying to do. You can see the original Damn logo here, and Deke, which is the TV company that produced the TV show. Onyx von Trollenberg, what kind of gem are you? If you're sweet, sometimes shy, and always there for your friends, you're an amethyst girl. Generous, assertive, and a natural born leader, you're a ruby girl. Witty, independent, and passionate about good causes, you're an onyx girl. Organized, ambitious, and an excellent student, you're a sapphire girl. Friendly, fun-loving, and creative, you're a topaz girl. Which is, I'd say I'm very much a topaz girl anyway. Welcome to Trollzopolis, where fun and fashion always come with a magical twist. And at the center of it all are 5 best friends who share everything together, including their newfound magic powers. Hang out with the trolls, they'll put a spell on you. I think that's so cool that they were able to like kind of mix the idea of like trolls and like magic, like, and it's in a very trollish way. I think that's so cool. Well, anyways, guys, so that is the box. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up, and then we're gonna take a look at everything that she comes with. I'm very excited for this video. I love Trollz. I'll be right back. So it's the next day, and I'm sick. Like, I literally, what even happened? Yeah, sorry for this weird segue. I was doing that. I was doing it yesterday. Sorry for this weird, like, shirt change, I guess. Yesterday when I was filming this video, my family came into the house, and it was actually Thanksgiving yesterday, or at least by the time of me filming that part of the video, and things just got way too hectic. Like, it got a little too much, so I just decided to stop right there and continue today. But don't worry, guys, even though I'm sick, don't think I'm not feeling lit. Wait, do the kids still say that? Don't think I'm still not excited about this doll, because I'm really, really enthusiastic about it, to be honest. So I don't remember where we got off, so we're just going to continue on from here. This is what Onyx looks like right outside of the box. She's obviously very glittery and glamoury. She's gorgeous. So exciting. Okay, so we'll get into her in a moment. First of all, she does come with a whole host of accessories, which is really exciting. First thing that came out of the box was actually this little hair pick, which I think is the exact same one her original like core troll doll came with. This one's just unpainted, but it's like geometrical. It's giving like Art Deco, very beautiful. Yeah, and it's just like this translucent purple color. It's really cute. You can see that it's like made out of a more rubbery type of plastic. In addition to the pick, she does come with a comb as well. I guess it's so like you can use these to style her hair in different ways, because this one you would probably use to like more like tease it out. This one to more like comb it over, you know? Yeah, this one's more like purple. This one's like closer to pink, I guess. And she does come with another outfit and some more accessories. Okay, so let's start off by talking about Onyx here. Obviously, she's so pretty. She's so cool looking. Love that our girl dolls are getting goth characters as well. That's something that I really miss in the doll aisle right now. I mean, we have the goth one, like goth ones. We have Monster High, but it's not like Barbie has a goth friend, you know. It's really hard to see what I'm showing you guys, but I'm gonna do my best. You can see that her hair is teased to look like puffs. In all of Onyx's art, she's supposed to have afro puffs. I'm gonna assume that the reason why they weren't able to execute this on the actual dolls is because they're using the original troll hair fiber, and I guess that's just something that they're unable to achieve, which is fine. But though obviously it would have been nice to see some afro curls in our dolls. But you could see that they seem to try with what they could do. On the inside, there is like a plush insert to like keep the hair upwards. Then on each ponytail, she does have a ponytail holder, and it's just a black strap with a Velcro on the back, so you can easily remove it and put it on, with a little crescent moon. And crescent moons are going to be a running theme with her, as her belly button gem is a crescent moon, so it all has to fit, right? Her makeup, it's looking like not very, I wouldn't say natural, very Y2K-esque, very frosty eyeshadow, frosty lips. I love her little beauty mark, very, very characteristic for Onyx. She also has these like static dangly earrings with crescent moons at the bottom and then a little star at the actual like attachment. Then for her fit, first of all, don't you love the proportions? Her fit, she has like this what is it called? Off the shoulder type of shirt, and I love how like all troll outfits need to have space for the belly button to show, because that's where their magical gem is. And they do have this really pretty like frill going on the top there. I don't know if you can see that. And also on the bottom here as well, just a little bit, yeah. And then to match, it is just this black glittery fabric, which is very nice. She does have this fringe at the bottom here for the skirt. Very cute. And then for her shoes, she's wearing these like black kitten heels with studs on them. Very gothy, very cute. I love this outfit. I mean, I really like it on her right now, but her second outfit is really enticing. So let's go ahead and put it on her. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is crazy. Upon moving her outfit around, first of all, love the little like painted on bikini, so cute. But because of the age, these dolls did come out in like 2006 about. They had, the fabric of the dress has stained her body, and the actual fabric melted onto her body plastic as well. So guys, this is why I take my dolls out of the box. Because could you imagine if I left that in there for another 20 years? I'm going to sneeze. Like, I don't even know if I'd be able to remove that. So, really excited that I'm able to remove the clothes, because otherwise, who even knows? But yeah, you can see that there's, like, still some tufts of fur. I'm going to have to clean that out. Okay, so this is what Onyx looks like in her second outfit. I love that the troll dolls always came with like a second outfit, second article of clothing. Like, I love that they were considered fashion dolls. I think that's so much fun. And then she's wearing these like coppery shoes with bows on it. They look a little out of place, but if you look at it all together, it slowly merges together correctly, especially with the belt there. And she does actually come with this fuzzy pink purse with a purple strap. And it actually is like Velcro, so you can actually put junk in here. I wish she came with her spell phone. I wish she had a spell phone. I don't think they got spell phones for this line. But that'd be so cunty to put in there. That'd be so cute. Let's talk about some of these accessories. First things first, she comes with a pair of earrings. Comes with another pair of earrings. Of course, they do have crescent moons on it. Very pretty. They're just circular and silver. All of her jewelry is silver this time. Then she comes with this silver necklace with even more crescent moons dangling off of it. Very beautiful. And lastly, which could also be my absolute favorite accessory, is this silver belt. I love that she wears this, not only in the actual artwork, the fact that she gets it at all. I love that the artwork is the second outfit too. That's just such a cute idea to me. Here she is, all put together, all dazzled out. Such a cohesive outfit. Like, I love that they were taking a risk with these. I mean, they are trolls already, so they're already a little weird, so I really appreciate that they were adding, like, really cute, like, style from the early 2000s into, like, this doll brand. Like, Hasbro was doing this. Like, they're able to do this. Why aren't they still doing it? Yeah, she's so effing cute, and she will be a forever doll. I'm just trying to collect, I'm trying to replace my old troll dolls with new complete ones. So then that way I can, like, really appreciate, like, each doll with all the things that they come with. So yeah, really hoping that this journey goes really smooth. I do have a couple more things on the way, as I have said multiple times. So stay tuned if you really like the Trollz content, because I'm going to be bringing, there's other Trollz collectors on YouTube, but I don't see a lot of doll reviews. Like, I see maybe 2 or 3. Have I said this already? But I'm just saying that I will be contributing to the Trollz with a Z propaganda on YouTube, and hopefully everywhere else in the world, because it's my second favorite IP out of, like, doll brands and stuff. So okay guys, I feel like I'm about to faint, but I'm really happy that we were able to come together and talk about Trollz a little bit. This will not be the last time. Let me know what you think about this video. Let me know what you think about Onyx. And if you have a favorite Trollz character, let me know who it is. Otherwise, let me know your birthstone, and then, like, maybe I could match you up. Okay guys, that is everything for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you want. Hit me up in the links in my description, and I'll see y'all on the flip side. Bye-bye!